Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize EV charger to join WPA2 networks via app pairing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the dedicated app for your EV charger from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app on your smartphone. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account using the credentials you've just created. Make sure your charger is plugged in and powered on. Locate the Wi-Fi settings on your EV charger. Refer to the charger's manual for specific instructions on entering setup mode. On the charger, select the option to connect to a new network. In the app, tap on the option to add a new device or charger. Wait for the app to search for available chargers. When your charger appears in the list, select it. Follow the on-screen prompts to start the pairing process. The app may ask for your Wi-Fi network information. Enter the name and password for your WPA2 network carefully. Confirm the details before proceeding. The app will attempt to communicate with the charger to establish a connection. Once connected, you should receive a confirmation message in the app. Test the connection by checking if the charger can now communicate with your network. If successful, you are now authorized to use your EV charger over your WPA2 network. Any issues during pairing may require a restart of the charger or app, so try again if necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.